my name is Kibar Dursun. I was born in Germany. I've been in Germany 35 years. I have experience in the power section more than 37 years. I start my education by BBC. I work in ABB and Alstom more than 20 years around the world in more than 20 countries. So I prefer to come to Turkey 2008. I built my own company, Joule Energy. I am the founder and the owner of Joule Energy, and we are doing business projects around the world. For the construction, we have done more than 10,000 megawatts. For the maintenance on steam and gas turbine, we have done more than 55,000 megawatts around the world. We have done projects for the construction type, Ukraine, in Libya, in Iraq, in Turkey, in Israel, in Belgium, Germany. We have now an ongoing projects in Europe around 2,200 megawatts. We are focusing to be an international company in the world. So we are focusing to be successful, and we want to grow up in Africa, Asia, in Europe. This is our future, and I hope it will be success for everyone to be a good company. Thank you very much for your listening, and I wish you everyone a nice day.